Hello, my name's Joshua. I'm from Barnsley College and I'm here today to tell you about Audacity, which is a free music software editing program which you can get online. You go on the Downloads tab and you can get it for all the operating systems. You've got these series, which is the basic recording software, or the beta editions, which are a lot more complex and they have lots more of plugins and extra features that you can use. So here it is. To put in your microphone, you select the inputs and outputs here. Alternatively, you can do it on preferences from the edit tab. You can see it's monitoring there. You can change how loud and how quiet your microphone is. So that's loud up there and that's quite quiet down there, so I'm going to put mine about 0.5. This slider is for when you play back and how loud it's going to be. I'm currently using a mono microphone, so I'm going to switch that back to mono and then start monitoring again, and you can see that. So to record a track, you just press record and it automatically creates a new audio track. You just press stop and that stops it fine. You can play it back and it automatically creates a new audio track. That's enough of that. You can skip to the beginning or skip to the end, and pause and play is normal. Here I've got the toolbox. I'm currently on the selection tool. This enables me to select certain bits of audio and I can delete that particular section if I wanted to, or apply an effect to it from the effects panel. Next you have the envelope tool. This helps you to change the dynamics of your recording. So I can drag this, you have to make a number of points and you can make them smaller or louder depending on how loud you want it to go. Next is the zoom tool. Just going to make this bigger. You can zoom in with the left click and zoom out with the right click. To use the draw tool, you have to zoom in all the way until you can see these little dots. Now if you have a clip on your recording, it will look something like this. And the simple way is just to go to the draw tool and then you can take that out nice and easily there. I'm going to zoom back out again with the zoom tool, or alternatively you can use these zoom tools over here. That's a bit too far. Next is the time shift tool. You can use this just to literally move your audio to wherever you want it to go. Next is the multi-tool. This is a combination of all of the tools. If you put the mouse over here and left click, you zoom in, and right click when you're on the numbers. To use the envelope tool, you can go on the light grey area, or to use the select tool, you go on this dark grey area here. Moving along, you have your edit functions. You've got cut, copy and paste. This trim tool is quite useful. If I wanted to select this piece of audio here, and then press that, it then gets rid of everything either side. Or the opposite to that, if I select a piece of audio, this is the silence tool, which then cuts out this middle bit here. You've got your undo and redo functions. Next I'm going to use this, the sync lock tool. Now you need two audio tracks for this, so I'm going to mute this one and create another one underneath. So this is my second track. Cool, so I've got two tracks now. Now with this sync lock tool, everything that you do on this top layer will also be copied on the bottom layer, as you can see there. So if I delete that, then that will also delete that one underneath. If I wanted to add an effect, then that would copy that onto that as well. Next you have your selection zooms. So if I wanted this bit to fill the screen, I would press this button here. Or if I wanted to see the whole project, I press the next button and then you can see the whole one there. Next is the playback speed slider. So if I press this one, it does it really fast, or if I slow it down and press this play. So yeah, you can have loads of fun with that. So yeah, that's all of the buttons in Audacity. Next time I'll be going through these tabs and showing you what they do. If you need any more help, go on their website, which is wiki.audacityteam.org, and that's got loads of helps and tutorials there.